Hi, Milorad here. I am here at my favorite park, Springfield Park in Rolette, Texas. I didn't come into the park for quite some time, but it's beautiful day today. It's middle of December, but very nice, about 70 degrees. And I came here to see if there's some birds that I can photograph. And I can see immediately there's some gulls behind me, and I think maybe some cormorants as well. And I photographed gulls before, and I have really good pictures of them from before. And at that time I used the Canon R7 camera with 100 to 400 millimeter lens and maybe 2x extender, I'm not sure anymore. But now I have this R6 Mark II camera with 100 to 500 millimeter lens plus 2x extender. Let's go and take some pictures and see what's going to happen. I hope I can take good pictures of them. Weather is nice, I have sunshine in my back, and let's see what we can photograph today. There are these gulls right there. There's some of them on the bank of this pond, and there's some of them in the water as well. And I'm going to try to take pictures of both. Let me see how close I can come. And there's some of them flying. I would like to take good pictures of them flying, and we will see what happened today. Oh yeah, there's a big flock or cormorants. I'm not sure if it's cormorants are called flock as well, but there's a bunch of them right there in the middle of this pond. Let's go and start taking pictures. Oh, there's some mallards also flying around. Yay! It's going to be a good photo shoot. Look at those cormorants. Never saw that many of them on one spot. It must be a good spot to catch some fish. Oh, I see some Canada geese as well. Cormorants, Canada geese, gulls, and some mallards as well. Wow, pretty busy pond.